You think buying a Lexus means all models cost the same to own? Think again. I just spent 3 weeks music analyzing maintenance records, repair costs, insurance rates, and depreciation data on every major Lexus model from the last 15 years, and what I found absolutely shocking. Some Lexus models will cost you less than $500 a year to maintain. Others try $2,500 or more. Some hold their value like gold bars, others lose 60% in 5 years. And here's the kicker. The cheapest Lexus to buy isn't always the cheapest to own. In fact, some of the budget models will drain your wallet faster than the luxury flagships. Today, I'm ranking every major Lexus model by true cost of ownership. Not just the sticker price, but insurance, maintenance, repairs, fuel, depreciation, everything. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which chain music Lexus gives you the most value for your money, and which ones you should avoid unless you've got deep pockets. Stick around because number 3 on this list shocked even me. Let's get into it. How I calculated true cost of ownership. Her music. Before we jump into the rankings, let me explain how I calculated these numbers. True cost of ownership isn't just about what you pay at the dealership. Her music, it's everything you'll spend over 5 years of ownership. Here's what I factored in. Purchase price, what you'll actually pay for a used or new model in today's market. Depreciation, how much value the car loses over 5 years. This is the biggest cost most people ignore. Maintenance, oil changes, fluid changes, tire rotations, breaker, music jobs, spark plugs, everything on the scheduled maintenance list. Repairs, average repair costs based on common issues for each model. Some Lexus models have expensive problems that pop up after 100,000 miles. Insurance, average annual insurance premiums based on national data. Fuel costs based on 15,000 miles per year and current gas prices. I looked at data from Consumer Reports, Edmunds, Kelley Blue Book, RepairPal, and Real Owner forums where people share their actual expenses. And the results, some models are absolute bargains, others, not so much. Let's start at the bottom and work our way up to the best value. Rank 10 music at Auto Lexus LS most expensive to own. Starting at the bottom, we've got the Lexus LS sedan. Now, the LS is an incredible music car. It's the flagship, the pinnacle of Lexus luxury. Quiet, comfortable, loaded with features, but it's also the most expensive Lexus to own. Her music. First, depreciation. A new LS costs $80,000 to $100,000. After 5 years, you're looking at a $40,000 to $50,000. That's a $40,000 to $50,000 loss in value. Second, maintenance. The LS uses premium Her music fuel, which adds up fast. Plus, with air suspension, advanced electronics, and a complex V6 or hybrid powertrain, maintenance costs are higher than simpler models. Repairs. Her music. When things go wrong on an LS, they're expensive. Air suspension compressors can cost $2,000 to replace. Hybrid battery replacements run $3,000 to $5,000. Even basic repairs cost more because of the complexity. Fourth, the music. Insurance. Because the LS is expensive and loaded with tech, insurance premiums are the highest of any Lexus. Total 5-year cost to you $1,000 to $70,000 after you factor in depreciation, maintenance, Her music, fuel, insurance, and repairs. If you can afford it, the LS is amazing. Her music, but it's not a budget-friendly choice. Rank 9, Lexus LC, beautiful but costly. Next, Her music up, the Lexus LC. This is the stunning coupe that turns heads everywhere it goes. It's gorgeous, it's fast, but it's also crazy expensive to own. First, Her music. Depreciation hits hard. These cars start at a $95,000 to the $125,000 music new. After 5 years, that's a $40,000 loss. Second, fuel costs. The LC uses a V8 or a hybrid V6 and neither is particularly efficient. Expect to spend $2,500 plus per year on premium fuel. Third, insurance. Sports coupes are expensive to insure and the LC is no exception. Expect premiums around $2,000 to $2,500 per year. Fourth, repairs. The LC is complex and when something breaks, it's not cheap, plus finding parts can take longer because it's a low volume model. Total 5-year cost of ownership around $55,000 to $65,000. Tron music. It's a dream car, but unless you're wealthy, it's not a practical choice. Rank 8, Lexus LX luxury tank. The Lexus LX is basically a Land Cruiser in a tuxedo. It's bulletproof mechanically, it'll last forever, and it can tow a house. First, Her music. Depreciation. These things start at $90,000 to $120,000 new. After 5 years, you're looking at $60,000 to $75,000, and that's under $30,000 and $40,000 loss. Second, fuel costs gets about 12 music to 14 miles per gallon. That's terrible. If you drive 15,000 miles a year, you're spending $3,500 plus on premium fuel. Third, maintenance. The LX is actually pretty cheap to maintain mechanically because it shares parts with the Land Cruiser. But it's big music, so tires are expensive, brakes are expensive, and fluid capacities are high. Fourth, insurance. Full-size RSV expensive to insure. Total 5-year cost of ownership around $50,000 to $60,000. If you need a serious off-road SUV luxury, the LX is great, but for most people, it's overkill. If you made it this a music far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Her music. And if you want to maximize the value of your Lexus, no matter which model you own, click the link in the description to grab my free 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to maintain your Lexus to minimize repair costs and maximize resale value for decades to come. Rank 7, Lexus RC Sports Coupe Tax. The Lexus RC is a sharp-looking sports coupe available with a V6 or a fire-breathing V8 in the RCF. But coupes in general are more expensive to own than sedans or SUVs, and the RC is no exception. First, start at 45,000 to 70,000 depending on the trim. After 5 years you're looking at music at a 25,000 to 40,000. That's a 20,000 to 30,000 loss. Second, fuel cost. The V6 is okay, but the RCF with the V8 drinks premium music fuel. Third, insurance. Sports coupes are expensive to insure, especially the RCF. Fourth, repairs. The RC shares a lot with the ISC, but it's still more expensive than a sedan to maintain. Total 5-year cost of ownership around 35,000 to 45,000. If you want a sporty Lexus, the RC is great, but you'll pay a premium for the coupe body style. Rank 6, Lexus is sporty sedan. The Lexus S is the compact sports sedan. It's fun to drive, looks sharp, and is relatively affordable for a Lexus. First, depreciation. S models start at 40,000 to 50,000 new. After 5 years, you're looking at 22,000 to 30,000. Music, that's a 18,000 to 20,000 loss. Second, maintenance. The S uses premium HEM music fuel, which adds up. And because it's tuned for performance, maintenance intervals can be tighter. Third, music repairs. The IS is generally reliable, especially the ES250 with the 2.5-liter V6 can have carbon buildup issues that require expensive walnut blasting. Fourth, music insurance. Sports sedans cost more to insure than regular sedans. Total music of 5-year courtship around 30,000 to 38,000. The ICE is a great car if you want something fun, but there are cheaper Lexus models to own. Rank 5, Lexus GS underrated value. The Lexus GS is the mid-size sports sedan that nobody talks about, and that's a shame because it's actually a pretty good value. Start at 50,000 to 60,000 new. After 5 years you're looking at a 25,000 to 32,000. That's a 25,000 to 28,000 loss, which is steep, but the car is bigger and more luxurious than the IS. Second, music maintenance. The GS uses premium fuel, but maintenance costs are reasonable. It's built on a solid platform that's proven reliable. Third, repairs. The GS is minor, and parts are reasonably priced. Fourth, insurance. And music mid-size sedans are cheaper to insure than coupes or SUVs. Total 5-year cost of ownership. Philozen, the GS is underrated. You get a lot of car for the money, and it's cheaper to own than the LS while still feeling premium. Music. Rank 4, Lexus NX compact SUV winner. The Lexus NX is the compact luxury SUV, and it's one of the best values in the lineup. Here's a music why. First, depreciation. NX models start at 40,000 to 50,000 new. After 5 years, to 32,000. That's a 15,000 to 18,000 loss, which a music is solid for a luxury SUV. Second, maintenance. The NX uses regular fuel on most models, which saves you a ton over 5 years, and because it's a smaller SUV, brake jobs and tire replacements are cheaper than on the RX or GX. Third, repairs. The NX music is reliable. It shares parts with the repairs are affordable when they're needed. Fourth, music insurance. Compact SUVs are cheaper to insure than full-size SUVs or sports cars. Total 5-year cost of ownership. If you want a luxury SUV but don't want to break the bank, the NX is a fantastic choice. Rank 3, Lexus GX off-road value king. Here's where things music get interesting. The Lexus GX is ranked number 3, and that shocked even me. Why? Because on paper the GX looks expensive. It's a big body on-frame SUV with a V8. You'd think it would be a money pit, but it's not. First, depreciation. GX models hold their value incredibly well. You can buy a used GX for 45,000 to 60,000, drive it for 5 years and sell it for 35,000 to 50,000. Have music, that's only a 10,000 to 15,000 loss. Second, maintenance. Yes, the GX uses premium fuel and gets terrible gas mileage, but mechanically it's bulletproof. It shares its platform with the Toyota 4Runner and Land Cruiser, so parts are cheap and repairs are rare. Third, repairs. The GX almost never breaks. Have music, it's one of the most reliable vehicles on the planet. Fourth, insurance. SUVs with good safety music ratings have reasonable insurance costs. Total 5-year cost of ownership around 30,000 to 38,000. The GX costs more upfront, but because it holds its value and rarely needs repairs, the total cost is shockingly low. If you want a serious SUV that you can drive for 400,000 miles and still sell for good money, the GX is unbeatable. Rank 2, Lexus RX best overall value. The Lexus RX is the best-selling Lexus for a reason. Spacious and one of the cheapest Lexus models to own. Here's why. A music. First, depreciation. RX models start at 48,000 to 60,000 new. After 5 years, that's an 18,000 to 20,000 loss, which is reasonable for a mid-size luxury SUV. Second, maintenance. The AXA music uses regular fuel on most models, which saves a ton. Maintenance costs are low because the drivetrain is proven and reliable. Third, repairs. The RX rarely breaks, and when it does, parts are affordable because it shares components with the Highlander. Fourth, insurance. Mid-size UVs with excellent safety music ratings have low insurance premiums. Total 5-year cost of ownership around 26,000 to 30,000. The RX gives you luxury space, reliability, and low running costs all in one package. It's no wonder everyone buys them. Chalk Music at Rank 1, Lexus ES cheapest Lexus to own. And the winner is the Lexus ES. The ES the most affordable Lexus to own. First, depreciation. ES models start at 42,000 to 50,000 new. After 5 years, you're looking at 26,000 to 33,000. That's only a 16,000 to 17,000 loss. Second, maintenance. Music, the ES uses regular fuel. It shares its platform with the Toyota Camry, so parts are cheap and widely available. Maintenance costs are the lowest of any Lexus. To music, third, repairs. The ES is bulletproof. It's powered by proven Toyota Lexus engines and transmissions that last forever. Repairs are rare and cheap. Fourth, insurance. Sedans have the lowest insurance premiums, and the ES Music is no exception. Total 5-year cost of ownership around 24,000 to 30,000. That's cheaper than most non-luxury sedans when you factor in reliability and resale value. If you want a Lexus that feels music premium, drives smooth, and costs almost nothing to own, the ES is the clear music winner. The surprising takeaways. So what did we learn? First, bigger and more expensive doesn't always mean worse value. The GX is proof of a music that its low depreciation and bulletproof reliability make it cheaper to own than you'd think. Second, sedans are usually cheaper to own than SUVs or coupes. The ES and GS both rank high because sedans have lower insurance, better fuel economy, and cheaper maintenance. A music third, avoid the ultra-luxury models unless you're rich. The LS and LC are incredible cars, but a music, the cost of ownership is brutal. Fourth, hybrids can save you money, music on fuel, but watch out for battery replacement costs down the road. Factor that into your long-term budget. Tour music tour. And finally, the best Lexus to own depends on what you need. If you want luxury and low cost, get an ES. If you need an SUV, get an RX or GX. If you music want fun, get a GS or S. But whatever you do, avoid the LS and LC unless money is no object. And if you want to make sure you're getting maximum value from your Lexus music, no matter which model you choose, click the link in the description to download my free 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's the ultimate guide to keeping your Lexus running like new while minimizing repair costs and maximizing music resale value. Whether you own an ES or an LS, music, this blueprint will save you thousands. Grab your free copy now. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep music, your car, running like new.